Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Jacks. Today we're preparing Bagara Rice. Bagara Rice is a simple Hyderabadi recipe with a twist of masala which can be prepared for functions or any festival occasions. It is famous in Andhra and Telangana region. All you require to prepare this Bagara rice is basmati rice. Soak basmati rice for 20 to 30 minutes, not more than 30 minutes. Heat oil or ghee in a pan. The ghee is hot, start by adding bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, ilachi, black cumin seeds and saute it on low to medium flames and make sure you do not burn these ingredients. Now add black stone flour. This is a secret ingredient in Bagara rice. It is easily available in the grocery stores. Add 3 slit green chili. Fry it for about 1 minute. Now add onion. The onion should be thinly sliced or roughly chopped and saute it until transparent. Now add little salt. It makes the onions to fry faster. And fry it on low to medium flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste adds a nice flavor to the Bagara rice and it's a must and should ingredient in the Bagara rice. And fry it on low to medium flame until the raw flavor is completely gone. Now add in green beans. I'm using frozen beans. These are batani and roughly chopped coriander and mint. And fry it for about 1 minute. Now add in the soaked basmati rice and fry it on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overmix as they can break the basmati rice. So mix it gently. After 2 minutes, once the moisture is completely reduced, now add the water. So the measurements is for 1 cup of rice, we have to add in 1.5 cup of water. Now check for the salt and add in the salt. As we'll mix this Bagara rice with some curry or gravy, make sure you add salt according to it. Now pressure cook it for 1 whistle, not more than that. And now the Bagara rice is ready to serve. This is a very flavorful rice and it is one of the famous recipe in the regions of Andhra and Telangana, so please give it a try. If you like this video, please support by hitting the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'm aiming for 50 likes, so please hit the like button. I hope you enjoy this video. See you on the other side. Bye bye.